Granny Joy and the Adventure of the Missing Cookies. In a sunny little town, there lived a cheerful granny named Granny Joy. With her bright blue glasses and a warm, twinkly smile, she was loved by everyone. Her cozy cottage was always filled with the delicious aroma of fresh baked cookies. Every Saturday, the neighborhood kids would race to Granny Joy's house for cookie day. They would gather around her kitchen, eagerly waiting for her to pull the warm cookies from the oven. Granny Joy would always say, "The more the merrier, let's bake together." One Saturday morning, the kids arrived, their laughter echoing through the garden. "Good morning, my little helpers," Granny Joy called. Her voice was as sweet as honey. "Are you ready to bake?" "Yes," they shouted. Their eyes sparkled with excitement. As they mixed the dough and added chocolate chips, Granny Joy shared stories about her own childhood adventures. "Once I had a pet parrot named Pippin who loved to steal cookies," she chuckled, making everyone giggle. Just as the cookies were baking, Granny Joy noticed something strange. "Oh no, where are my special cookie jar?" she exclaimed, looking around the kitchen. She gasped, "You mean the ones with secret cookie recipe?" asked Mia, and her eyes wide. "Yes, they are missing," Granny Joy said. With determination, the kids gathered around Granny Joy. "We'll help you to find them," said Leo, pumping his fist in the air. The children scattered in all directions. Mia checked under the couch while Leo peeked behind the curtain. Sam searched in the garden, looking under flower pot and bushes. After a while, they regrouped, shaking their heads. "Maybe they rolled away," suggested Leo, scratching his head. "Or maybe they are on an adventure of their own," Granny Joy added with a twinkle in her eye. "Let's think like cookies. Where would they go if they wanted to explore?" Suddenly, Sam's face lit up. "What about the big oak tree? It's the tallest in the neighborhood." "Great idea," Granny Joy said, her heart racing. "Let's check there." Just then Pippin the parrot flapped his wings and squawked, "Cookies, cookies." He tilted his head, looking innocent and cheeky. Granny Joy chuckled. "Well, it looks like we have a cookie thief on our hands. Let's get them down." With a little teamwork, they formed a human ladder, and Leo climbed up to retrieve the jar. When he brought them down, everyone cheered. The cookies jar was safe. "Now let's finish baking those cookies," Granny Joy said, her heart filled with gratitude for her little helpers. After the cookies cooled, they set up a picnic in Granny Joy's garden. The kids munched on warm cookies and sipped lemonade, sharing stories and laughter under the sun. "All right, Pippin, you can have a cookie too, but only if you promise not to steal any more," Granny Joy said with a wink. The parrot happily said, and they all shared a cookie together, giggling as Pippin did a little dance. And so every Saturday became a new adventure at Granny's Joy house, filled with cookies, laughter, and a little bit of mischiefs.